I am Shelly Santiago, and I am the founder of Lettering for Freedom. For the past 3 years since Lettering for Freedom was birthed, we have been able to donate monthly to other organizations who are committed to the educational and spiritual and emotional freedom of people locally and worldwide. One of them being Restoration Life Center, which is located in downtown Allentown. Pastor Ruth Alpha is a great friend and mentor of mine, and she walks women through their journey of healing and emotional freedom. Another organization is Overland Missions. They're a nonprofit organization who send people out around the world to do missions and serve people. And the third organization is Compassion International. So that's another child we're able to sponsor with the proceeds of Lettering for Freedom. So anytime that you purchase with Lettering for Freedom, the proceeds go directly toward the donations and monthly sponsorships of these organizations. In 2013, I left my teaching job to be a stay-at-home mom, and I was looking for some work that I could do from home. And it wasn't until the summer of 2016 that right after I was baptized, I remembered the question that God asked Moses, "What is in your hand?" And I remembered all of my art materials in my basement. So I picked up my paintbrush, started painting again, and that's when I discovered lettering. So I started posting some work on Facebook and Instagram, and someone reached out to me to do a custom project for them, and I knew that's what it was going to be. Some of the services that Lettering for Freedom offers are wedding and event signs, such as welcome signs, seating charts. I do mirrors, chalkboard signs, and wood signs, as well as I have signs available to rent for your occasions. Also, I do calligraphy such as place cards and envelope addressing for your weddings and special events. I also do seasonal personalized gifts such as Christmas ornaments or other holiday gifts that you would want customized. Logos and digital lettering are also available. And I also do menus for local businesses and restaurants such as Crave in Bethlehem, Polish Water Ice, and Mystical Treats in Hellertown. I've done their menu boards, I've done chalk walls on site and murals on site as well, which are so fun to do. So this year I am really looking forward to collaborating with more businesses and individuals who are improving the health and beauty and success of the Lehigh Valley, as well as partnering with more nonprofits who are committed to the educational, emotional, and spiritual freedom of people locally and worldwide.
Thanks for watching About Lehigh Valley, where we love to work, live, and play. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.